Hi guys, so we have got a velvet slash cat eye magnetic polish tutorial today. So I'm just using this little magnet that come with this nice silver polish. So we're starting off with the silver first and then gonna paint over with the colour we want it to end up like. So we're going to do 2 coats, but I'm going to use the magnet and see. I'm not a pro at this at all. Literally, I'm just going side to side and top to bottom. Cure that. And then we're going to do another coat. And then do the same. So it's just like, I don't know. I mean, to me, it doesn't look like cat eyes, but whatever. I don't know. I've got 2 cats, but it doesn't look like their eyes. So now we're going to go over with the colour that we want it to be. So I found these on Amazon. These are so pretty, like really nice colours. So we're using that 96 shade. I don't know how you say the brand, so I'm not going to attempt it. But look at that pretty turquoise colour. So I've seen loads of different like ways that people are making them the colour they want to be without having the specific magnetic polish. But this is how I'm doing it anyway. So I'm using a white gel polish and that little stubby brush that I've cut. Because we're doing that popular, that it seems like it's popular, pastel cloud design. So literally just patting that on, like pat, pat, pat. Like nothing too extreme, really didn't take very long. In the typical cloud shape that you might draw, like that you might have drawn when you were a kid. Like, there we go. So we've cured that, and then I messed up my starbursts, and I'm not sure why, because I do starbursts all the time. So you start with your blob in the middle. It didn't help that this brush was bent and I didn't realise it was bent, so it went off to the side there. So you put your blob in the middle and then you get all the gel off your brush, and then you just pull from the centre to each direction that you want the star to go. So each burst. So you pull up from the centre to the top, to the bottom, to both sides. The bottom one went better than the top one. I was a bit annoyed at that because it just looks completely off centre, but I do sort of fix it. So we've cured that, and that one is finished. So really, that didn't take a lot of time at all. So we're going to use shiny top coat, because I don't think the magnetic polishes, cat eye, velvet design, whatever you want to call it, look good in matte. I really don't. I think they definitely look best in shiny top coat. So there we have that finished nail. So I'm going to show you it again, like with this next colour, exactly what we do each time for the magnet. So we're putting the silver base that we're using, going each side, then from the top and from the bottom there, curing that, and then we're going to go in again and do exactly the same until you get it how you want it, really. I mean, if you make a mistake, you can literally just put more polish on. It's absolutely fine. It's not the end of the world. So I like it like that. So we're going to go over with this next shade. It's like a pastel-y, purpley, shifty polish. It sort of shifts to like green, maybe blues as well. But just like having sort of a sheerish polish, not quite a jelly, but because it's glitter but not like fully opaque glitter, you still get the effect from the magnetic polish base, and it's the colour that you want it to be. So this time I'm trying my starbursts. Oh, we're doing the clouds first. But so that's exactly the same again. But this time, my starburst, I'm going to use a dotting tool to plonk the dot on. Although this goes wrong as well. I didn't put enough gel polish on there to sort of pull down each of the starbursts. But never mind. Never mind. They looked good in the end, I think, So there's the dotting tool. Didn't put enough gel polish on the dotting tool, but I didn't want to flood it either. So this design, I'm having 3 of the little starbursts, and I'm using that same brush again. It just didn't quite have enough, so I didn't feel like it made enough of a impact. But I don't know if that was just the light maybe shining on it too much, but I really like this design. It seems like a really nice springtime one that everyone seems to want at the minute. It's very, very pretty. I'm not sure if I'll ever have this design because it's not really... I don't really tend to go for pastel-y colours on my nails. Mine tend to be dark turquoises, blues, greens. I don't really have pinks. I mean, the turquoise one, maybe. But I don't know. It's a very easy design to do. So that's it, having cured it. And we're going to go in with the shiny top coat again. Yeah, it doesn't take much time at all, really. It's quite an effortless design. The most time is waiting for it to cure. So there's that one finished. I was trying to take it off to... Never mind. I'm not showing you every single time now. So there's just 2 nails to go. But I just thought I'd show you the second coat of this base silver polish. So we're curing that. And then there's that third colour. It's sort of like a pinky gold shift. That's really pretty as well. I don't know if the camera picks it up as well as like it looks in person, but it is a very nice polish. So this time we're not going to do the same design we've just done. I'm going to use these because we all know I like stars if you've been watching my videos. So I'm going to do some stars and a moon. So they're going to be gold starburst stars. Oh, just look at that gel paint. Love that. So put your blobs wherever you want them to go. Wipe off that from your brush so that you're just pulling from the blob. So up and down. I was moving my lint-free wipe there because it was at the wrong side of me. So we're pulling it. See, that one's worked out quite nicely. And I think changing the design on this colour actually suits it really well because it's like a goldy shift from the polish that we went over with. So it's sort of a really nice accent to it. The gold. Really pretty gold. So we're just going to have one moon in the centre of those stars. That didn't go too well, I'm not going to lie. But I found it really hard to see because of the reflection of the light and the magnetic like reflectiveness of the polish. Woo, look at that chrome. This is a Born Pretty silver one. So we're going to use that for the moon. So obviously you can't turn your client's nails if you've got a client there, but if you're just doing press-ons, turn it upside down, turn it to the side, do whatever it takes to make it easier. Because I ended up with like a chunky bit at the end, and it really annoyed me. And I've got it all over myself. This is why you should use gloves. I should have used gloves, but do as I say, not as I do. I think it looked really nice with a silver moon. I mean, you could have done the moon gold as well, but I really wanted to use that, so just look at that. Look at how that moves. Lovely. Lovely. So I think we're going over it again, just make it look better. I did wedding nails, sort of my wedding nails like this, but I actually used a different gel paint, and I wanted to try this just to see what it was like. And I do like it, but I think I do like the other one better. I think I felt like there was just nothing there, so I wanted to add another cloud in. I think it looks okay now. I think it looked too empty before, but I am one of the opinion where I like the nail to be full, not a lot of negative space. So there we have that one. We are obviously going to shiny top coat that one. I do like this design, yeah, I do. I could pop that in the lamp. And there we have that one. So now I'm going to show you doing it the exact same way, but we're going to go over with a jelly polish. So it's like a translucent colour. It's not got glitter in it or anything like that. If you wanted stronger sort of colour on top of this, I'd definitely go for the jelly, because you can quite clearly see the one that I'm about to do is turquoise, whereas the other one you can, but not like, it's not like in your face turquoise, and some people might like in your face turquoise, like me. So this is just a brand I got off Amazon, so you can see it's translucent there, can't you? I think I put more on it. Did I put more on it? Possibly. Yeah. So we've got 2 coats of this on top of the 2 coats of the velvet cat eye magnetic polish. So that's how it looked in the end before the design. So obviously you can see that's a lot more bright, solid colour maybe, I don't know how to describe it, than the glitter polishes that went on top. So we're just going to do that simple cloud again. I don't know if I even do starburst on this one. I might do. Who knows? I think I do, yeah. I think I do. But then again, no, actually maybe I don't. Which is strange for me, because we know how much I like stars. I really enjoyed doing this design because, like I said, it didn't take too long, but it was really nice. Like, to sort of get a finished design with not a tremendous amount of effort. I just did the 1 star, so I'm using my super thin detailer brush this time, which I should have used last time, because this one went a lot better, as you can see. Boom, there you go. So we're going to shiny top coat that, and that's all for done then. So I'll just put the turquoise ones side to side, so you can sort of see the colour difference that I was meaning. You know, you can tell that one's turquoise, but it's really sort of faint compared to that one. But I hope you enjoyed my video. Please let me know if you could give me a like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. You let me know if you've got any ideas you want me to try out. I will be the guinea pig, so you don't have to. But anyway, thank you so much. Bye.